Shortness of breath, causes and symptoms. Shortness of breath or breathlessness occurs when a person has difficulty taking in enough air to breathe. It can range from mild to severe. The medical term for shortness of breath is dyspnea. Despite being relatively common, it can be uncomfortable and distressing to experience. That being said, when it is not a symptom of a more serious condition, it is usually possible to manage it at home. In this video, you can learn what is the symptoms and causes of breathlessness and when to see a doctor. Identifying and reducing triggers. Depending on the cause of the breathlessness, there may be some changes that a person can make to their lifestyle to avoid their triggers and ease their symptoms. These changes include losing weight if obesity is the cause of the breathing problems, exercising to improve fitness levels, avoiding exercise in hot conditions or at high altitudes, quitting smoking or avoiding second-hand smoke, avoiding allergens and pollutants, sticking to treatment plans for any underlying conditions. Causes. Some people may experience shortness of breath suddenly and for just a short period of time. Others may experience it more regularly. Shortness of breath that occurs regularly may have a common cause or be the result of a more serious underlying condition. Shortness of breath that occurs suddenly might mean that the person needs emergency treatment. The sections below will explore the different causes of shortness of breath in more detail. Common causes. Shortness of breath that happens occasionally can be due to overweight or obesity, smoking, exposure to allergens or pollutants in the air, extreme temperatures, strenuous exercise, anxiety. Underlying conditions. Regular shortness of breath may be due to a more serious condition that affects the heart or lungs. The heart and lungs help carry oxygen around the body and get rid of carbon dioxide. Because of this, conditions that affect how they function can also affect a person's breathing. Underlying conditions that affect the heart and lungs and can cause shortness of breath include asthma, anemia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, abnormal heart function, lung cancer, lung conditions such as pleurisy or tuberculosis. Acute causes. There are also some causes of acute or sudden shortness of breath that indicate a medical emergency. This include a severe allergic reaction, choking, heart failure, heart attack, an enlarged heart, a blood clot in the lungs, pneumonia, carbon monoxide poisoning, a foreign object in the lungs. Symptoms. Dyspnea is the medical term for shortness of breath. People experiencing this may feel that taking a breath is uncomfortable, shallow, or difficult. People may also experience chest tightness linked to shortness of breath. They may feel lightheaded if they are unable to get enough oxygen into their lungs. If these symptoms last for longer than a month, the person may have chronic dyspnea. When to see a doctor. Some people experience mild shortness of breath regularly and may receive a diagnosis from a doctor. If a doctor has already diagnosed the cause, trying one of the home remedies can be a safe course of action. When someone experiences shortness of breath for the first time without knowing why, however, they should speak to a doctor. Only a doctor can provide a proper diagnosis. In some cases, shortness of breath is a cause for immediate concern. A person should seek medical attention straight away if they are experiencing sudden, severe shortness of breath or a feeling of pain or tightness in the chest. Experiencing shortness of breath can be unsettling. Various home remedies can help, including breathing exercises, certain positions, and inhaling steam. If a person is concerned about shortness of breath or does not know the cause, they should speak to a doctor for advice.